Today, I am going to discuss the letter writing from the IELTS General Book 9 Test B, the Writing Task 1. How to write a formal letter. On a recent holiday, you lost a valuable item. Fortunately, you have travel insurance to cover the cost of anything lost. Write a letter to the manager of your insurance company. In your letter, describe the item you lost, explain how you lost it, and tell the insurance company what you would like them to do. Begin your letter as follows. Dear Sir or Madam. Now this 150 word letter can be written in 20 minutes as follows. Dear Sir or Madam. Now this is the opening salutation. In para 1, write who you are and then mention the purpose of writing this letter. In para 2, describe the item you lost. In para 3, explain how you lost it. In para 4, tell the insurance company what you would like them to do. In para 5, summarize the letter. And then end with yours faithfully. Now since this is a closing salutation for the formal letter, you will have to write a full name, which is in this case John Pierce. The following slide shows an 8-band score sample of this letter. Dear Sir or Madam, I am availing of a travel insurance policy of your company and I wish to lodge a claim to cover the value of a watch that was lost during a journey. Its description is as follows. A 1997 Waldorf make men's watch having serial number KE445. It was purchased for US dollars 435. I have enclosed a copy of the purchase invoice. The loss occurred at the hotel where I was staying. While my bag was being transferred from one room to another due to power loss in the initial room, immediately upon noticing that the watch was missing, I informed the hotel manager, who after a thorough investigation assured to cooperate in the insurance claim process. I have enclosed copies of all the relevant documents pertaining to this claim, and I request you to put this claim into process immediately. I request you to expedite this claim within the earliest possible frame of time. Yours faithfully, John Pierce.